Good day, everyone. I am Alana Ysabel Canlas, and with me is Pamela Cruz. And today, we are going to present our intuitive design called SmartVision Cart, which is a shopping assistant for the visually impaired during grocery errands. The Smart Vision Cart is an innovative navigation aid designed to enhance the shopping experience for blind and visually impaired individuals. Equipped with advanced sensors, AI powered object detection, and real time voice guidance. This cart helps user effortlessly locate specific item within store aisles. By combining precision mapping and intuitive interaction, the Smart Vision Cart promotes independence and inclusivity, making grocery shopping a seamless and empowering activity for everyone.
So, for the project, we wanted to tackle how the society treats people with disabilities. In our world today, people with disabilities or the PWDs are often not taken into consideration when creating something that's for the masses, simply because sila ay considered down a minority. In the Philippines in particular, we do not often design things for the visually impaired. Unlike sa countries like Japan, na yung mga streets nila, they have tactile markers for the blind to navigate the streets independently. In reality, there's actually a great number of people who have visual impairments. Based sa statistics ng WHO, there are around 285 million people who are navigating the world with visual challenges, which means na there's a big number of people who are dealing with everyday activities like shopping with great difficulty.
Types of visual impairments. According to the Perkins School for the Blind, in fact, wala naman po talagang totally blind na tao. Some examples po ng mga visual impairments ay glaucoma, macular degeneration, cataracts, achromatopsia, and diabetic retinopathy. For our aim for this project, for the first one, to foster independence for those who are visually impaired when it comes to grocery shopping by providing an inclusive cart design. And then for the next one, to propose an innovative and inclusive store for the big companies like Robinson Supermarket to adopt and execute. And our statement of the problem, we want to find solutions for the following solutions. We have number one, how can the visually impaired navigate a grocery store without any human aid? And then for the number two, how can the visually impaired determine the product that they aim to buy and its price?
So, isa rin sa mga nag-inspire sa amin is yung mga robots that can be seen around groceries na nagpro-provide ng assistance to customers. We wanted to pattern our design based on how they navigate and how they can detect obstacles around them. So, nalaman namin na they usually have RFID and AI technology to navigate and give assistance. And we also want to incorporate the same method in our design. From our research, we also found a company that provides businesses with indoor navigation. So, ito yung Navigen. Isa silang company na nagpo-provide ng technological services to industries like retail, logistics, manufacturing, healthcare, and many others. An example is how they've provided grocery stores with store maps and navigation systems that helps lead the customers to the product they want.
So, ito po yung mga early concepts namin na naisip. At first, gusto lang po namin na handy siya and lightweight. Pero it was suggested na gawin siyang shopping cart so that hindi shoulder ng customer yung expenses. Kung hindi, shoulder ito ng mismong stores. And then for the next slide naman po, ito na po yung naging revised concept namin na shopping cart. So now, here's our two storyboards.
For our first storyboard, the problem we're tackling is how the visually impaired has difficulty finding a product in store filled with aisles. There's also a possibility that they may bump into shelves and pick up the wrong product. So here's the solution that we've thought of using the SmartVision cart. First, they can speak and tell the name of the product they want, then the cart will help them navigate. Then, with the wristband that comes with it, they can use the markers on the shelves and hold on to them. As the wristband detects the sensor, it will help tell the customer to stop right where the product is.
Dito po sa problem scenario na ito is kumuha ng isang item yung customer na visually impaired. Ngunit hindi niya alam kung ano itong item na nakuha niya at magkano ito. So, para po ma-solve yung problem ni customer, we want to introduce to them the SmartVision card na makakatulong para malaman nila yung price and kung ano yung item na nakuha nila. Here's our explanatory sketch. And here's our manual rendering. Here's our 3D model in different perspectives. Here are some of its features in close-up.
So this is Smart Vision Cart in use sa mga grocery stores. So the way na they will help the person get to the aisle ng product na gusto nila is through the cart handles. It will signal the person to go left or right by vibration. And if they're near an obstruction, both handles will vibrate to notify them. Here we can see the Smart Vision cart inside a grocery store here in the Philippines, which is yung Robinson Supermarket.
So here we can see the cane holder at the side of the shopping cart.
So yung cart, meron siyang two buttons. So yung first button sa left, meron siyang braille marking na nagsasabing speak. So it tells them na they can speak or tell the cart kung ano yung product na gusto nilang puntahan. And then sa right, we have here may braille marking ng assistance which can be pressed kung may mga times na gusto nila ng assistance from a worker doon sa store na yon. And near those buttons, merong speaker na doon maririnig kung ano yung mga instructions na bibigay ng cart.
The Smart Vision cart will mainly use RFID technology, or also known as radio frequency identification sensors. These are tiny devices that automatically detects and track objects using radio waves. So these RFID tags will be placed on the floor, which will then be picked up by the cart sensors as it moves. On the screen are some examples of RFID floor tags that are commonly used.
So this is how we are envisioning it to work while used in grocery stores. So for this one, it's an additional device na wear sa wrist that comes with the Smart Vision experience.
This is how we envision the wristband to look like while being used.
So with this, we are also proposing a new shelf design, which consists of markers or something that they can hold on to, which will guide them to the product. So while holding onto that marker, kapag na-reach nila yung location ng product, it will notify them and tell them to stop because that's where the product is.
And on the screen, we see how the wristband and new shelf design will work together. And that's all for our Smart Vision card. Thank you for listening. Have a great day and God bless.